He's got that look on his face like those guys in the 80s that were about to fight Tyson.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just that,
inevitable loss.
Joe Rogan playing Carolines all weekend long. Whew. With the Amazing Racist opening up.
Pat, how are you?
It's getting real close.
All right, it's getting real
close.
The suspense. All the cameras out. We've never had more people in the studio, by the way. There's got to be about 30 people in here.
And what he's doing
At
is
least.
very DiMaggio-esque. This is like the 56-game hitting streak.
Yeah,
73 shots. This will never be broken.
Hey, someone is saying, please center the Pal Talk camera. We got to...
I got mine done.
All right,
no, mine's fine. It's Pal Talk 2.
All right.
That somebody's in the way of or something like that. I guess it's the camera guy.
What shot is that?
The left.
74.
Oh,
Pat.
he's going for more.
He's going for 75.
Everyone's got to pretty much keep their position so the cameras and everybody can see. Yeah, that's fine.
People are calling from all over America. They've been puking all over the place.
75.
In just about every city in America. And in Canada, thanks to XM.
He's just drinking now. He's up to 76.
Uh-oh, here we go.
Here it goes.
Oh, God.
The baby bird is going
The
down!
baby bird, it's happening.
The baby
it's happening.
bird is happening! Oh, my God! Oh, my God! Oh, my God! No way! No way! No way did that No way did that just happen! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my
I almost wet myself. I swear to you. I'm laughing so hard. I have never...
We lost Jimmy. He's laughing so hard he ran into the corner. Yeah!
A thunderous round of applause.
Down goes Pat. Down goes Pat.
He's wearing puke blackface.
That was the greatest moment in radio history, period.
Yeah.
It's impossible to top that.
Yeah,
That's impossible.
Trust me on that.
How can you top that?
Trust me on that.
How can that be topped?
We are announcing our retirement right now because that is it.
How can that be topped?
Wow.
Joe.
That can't be topped. That was the craziest thing I've ever seen in my life.
That was insane.
Can you believe you were watching that as it was happening? I cannot believe I saw that. Holy
Jimmy, what happened?
I was filming it on my camera for posterity.
Yeah?
It was like Zapruder. And as I got a hit, the smell hit me, and I almost threw up. But I mean, the smell.
Dude,
That kid is
the best part when Pat, our new intern, turned his head sideways to get some of it off of his face, and Pat puked right in his ear.